Over time, the importance of different types of industries in the UK has shifted significantly. This change is driven by factors like the decline of traditional manufacturing, the growth of the service sector, the depletion of raw materials, and increased global competition. Let's explore these changes in more detail. In the past, the UK was known for its strong manufacturing sector, especially industries like coal mining, shipbuilding, and textile production. These industries were important during the Industrial Revolution, as they produced essential goods and provided many jobs. However, in recent decades, traditional manufacturing has declined for several reasons. Raw materials like coal and iron ore have started to run out or become more expensive to extract. Competition from other countries has increased, especially from nations where it is cheaper to manufacture goods, such as China and India. Automation and technology have reduced the need for human labor in manufacturing. As a result, many factories in the UK have shut down, leading to a decline in traditional manufacturing areas like the Midlands and the north of England. While manufacturing has declined, the service sector has grown rapidly. The service sector includes jobs that provide services rather than goods, such as retail, healthcare, education, finance, and tourism. In MEDCs, more economically developed countries, like the UK, the service sector has become the largest employer. This shift has been driven by factors such as the UK's population becoming more urbanised and service-oriented, increased demand for healthcare, education, and financial services as people's standards of living rise. Advances in technology that create new service-related industries like IT and telecommunications. As industries change, the locations of industries also shift. There are two main effects on industrial location in the UK. With traditional raw materials like coal running out, many industries that still rely on raw materials, such as oil refining or iron and steel production, have moved closer to ports. This is because ports are now the entry point for imported raw materials. For example, oil refining and steel industries in South Wales are located near ports to easily receive imports from abroad. New industries are often footloose, meaning they are not tied to a specific location like traditional industries. Unlike industries that depend on raw materials, like mining, footloose industries can set up anywhere with good transport links, skilled workers, and a pleasant environment. These industries, such as IT firms, electronics, and scientific research, often locate in pleasant environments near major roads, airports, and cities. An example is the growth of industries in the southeast of England, including areas near London and along major motorways. Footloose industries often locate in science parks, areas designed to support high-tech industries, often near universities or research centres. For example, Cambridge Science Park is home to many technology and pharmaceutical companies, taking advantage of the university's research expertise. The UK government plays a role in shaping industry by offering incentives, grants, or tax breaks to companies that set up in certain areas, such as enterprise zones. This helps encourage industries to relocate or invest in areas that need economic growth. The tertiary industry service sector is now the biggest industrial sector in the UK. Most people work in jobs that provide services rather than produce goods. The UK has become one of the world's leading financial hubs, with cities like London known for banking and insurance. The tourism and retail sectors are also large employers, with many people working in shops, hotels, and restaurants. The UK's industrial landscape has changed dramatically over the past century. The importance of traditional manufacturing has declined due to the depletion of raw materials and increased global competition. At the same time, the service sector has grown and now dominates the economy, providing the most jobs. Industrial locations have shifted to reflect these changes, with many industries relocating near ports or becoming footloose, able to set up anywhere with good transport and infrastructure. The UK government also plays a role in influencing where industries are located, especially through science parks and development zones. These changes reflect the ongoing evolution of the UK's economy and the shifting priorities of modern industry.